Hi guys, our lesson today is polygons. Polygons. Our objective is to identify the meaning of polygon and attribute, and to classify polygons by using its attributes. First, what is the meaning of polygon? Polygon is a closed two-dimensional figure formed by three or more straight sides don't cross each other. We can classify polygons using one or more of the following attributes. An attribute is a characteristic of figure, property of figure, number of sides, and number of angles. Look at these figures. This one, for example. This one is polygon or not? This is closed and this is two-dimensional figure. It has six sides, so three or more straight sides. They don't cross each other, so all the conditions are verified, so it is polygon. This, for example, is not polygon. Why? It is closed. So the first is verified. This is two-dimensional figure. So the second one also verified. It has no three or more straight sides. So this is not polygon. This one and also this one. These two figures are closed, two-dimensional figure. One of them has four sides, the other has three sides, so each one of them has three or more straight sides. They don't cross each other. The sides don't cross each other, so they are polygons. These two figures, each of them has these properties, closed and two-dimensional figure. Each of them has three or more straight sides, but they cross each other. These two sides cross each other, and this star has many crossed sides, so they are not polygons. So this is polygon, this is not. These are polygons, these are not. Okay. These are examples of polygons and their names. This polygon has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. Has 3 sides. How many angles? 1, 2, 3. So has 3 sides and 3 angles, so it's called triangle. This figure, or this polygon, has 1, 2, 3, 4. Has 4 sides. How many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 angles is called quadrilateral. This one has 5 sides and 5 angles, so it is called Pentagon. This polygon has 6 sides and has 6 angles. It is called hexagon. This figure has 8 sides and has 8 angles. It's called octagon. Let's solve some examples. Look at the circle ball. The blue shape outlined in white is a polygon. Describe and classify the polygon by its attributes. We talk about this shape. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides and 5 angles. The blue shape outlined in white has how many sides? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Has 5 sides. And how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Has 5 angles. So it is called pentagon. Example 2. The road sign shown in a polygon. The road sign shown is a polygon. Describe and classify the polygon by its attributes. Octagon. An octagon is a polygon with 8 sides and 8 angles. The road sign has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Has how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 sides and 8 angles. So the sign is an octagon. The next one. Describe the shape of sign below. Determine the number of sides and angles, then classify the shape. The polygon has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. Has 3 sides. How many angles? 1, 2, 3. So the sign is what? What is the name of the polygon that has 3 sides and 3 angles? Yes, triangle. Now let's count the number of sides and angles and classify each one. This polygon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 sides and 8 angles. What is the name of the shape of the polygon? Has 5 sides and has 8 sides and 8 angles. Yes, octagon. This figure, this polygon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 sides and 5 angles. What is the name of this polygon? Yes, pentagon. This one has how many sides and how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Has 6 sides and 6 angles, so it is hexagon. This one is what? 3 sides and 3 angles, so it is triangle. This one has how many sides and how many angles? Yes, 4 sides, 4 angles, so it is quadrilateral. One can say it is rectangle. Yes, it is rectangle, and rectangle is one of the quadrilaterals. This polygon, 4 sides and 4 angles, it is what also? It is quadrilateral. And also this is square, I know. But the group of shapes of polygons that has 4 sides and 4 angles are called called quadrilateral. The next one, Preston pushed the square pattern block and the triangular pattern block together, as shown. What new polygon did he create? This polygon, the new one, has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what's its name? Yes, Pentagon. Classify the polygon that has fewer angles than pentagon, but more angles than a triangle. Okay, pentagon has how many angles? Yes, 5. Triangle has how many angles? 3. What is the number that is fewer than pentagon, but more than triangle? Fewer than 5, but more than 3. Yes, it is 4. What is the name of the polygon? Any polygon has 4 sides and 4 angles. Yes, it's called quadrilateral. Okay. Now explain why each figure below is not polygon. Then draw a figure with 6 sides that is a polygon. The first one. Why this one is not a polygon? The first one, why is not a polygon? The definition of the polygon, it is what? It is closed two-dimensional figure. This is not closed. So the first is not closed. Okay. The second one, why it is not polygon? Let's complete the definition. It's closed two-dimensional figure, has 3 or more straight sides, and don't cross each other. So the second one is not polygon. Why? Because it has sides cross each other. Cross each other. Okay. In this page, okay, now we want to draw a figure with 6 sides that is polygon. What is the polygon that has 6 sides? Yes, it is hexagon. So we draw hexagon like that. This is hexagon. Okay, the next page. Draw an example of figure that is not a polygon and explain why. This one, for example. This is not a polygon. Why? This circle is not a polygon. Why? Because it has no straight sides. Straight sides. Okay, let's solve this one. Draw and classify a polygon that has 4 sides with 2 angles that are greater than right angles. Compare your drawing to a friend drawing. How are they like and how are they different? We'll draw one polygon, and that is enough for this question. Polygon that has 4 sides with two angles are greater than right angle. It can be, for example, parallelogram, like that. Parallelogram. Because the parallelogram has four sides, quadrilateral, and has two angles greater than right angle. We know the shape of the right angle is like that. This has open region greater than this one, so it is greater than right angle. Okay, the last question in this page. How do I classify polygons using their attributes? Yes, by counting the number of what? By counting the number of, yes, the number of sides and the number of angles. The number of angles. Okay, now back to page 843 for the polygons. Describe each shape. We can describe this shape. How many sides? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 sides. And also 6 angles. 6 angles. So this shape, this polygon is called what? Yes, hexagon. This is hexagon. Okay, this polygon has 3 sides, has 3 angles. So it is what? Yes, it's triangle. Classify the polygons that are used to create the figure shown. This shape, this polygon is called what? Yes, it has 3 sides, so it's triangle. Okay, this one has how many sides? Has 6 sides, so it is what? Yes, it is hexagon. These shapes, we see here the red shape, which has 4 sides, is what? Yes, it is trapezoid because it has only one pair of parallel sides and the other 2 sides are not parallel. This one, which is blue, is what? Yes, it is parallelogram because it has 2 pairs of parallel sides. So what I write? No, I will not write parallelogram. I will not write trapezoid. I will write quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral. Because quadrilaterals contains all shapes that have 4 sides. Quadrilaterals. Okay. Now, page 844. Question 4. What is another name for square other than polygon? You know that square is a polygon, but it has another name. What is the other name? Yes, quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral. Because it has 4 sides. Now, question 5. Draw and label a polygon you would get when you fold the hexagon shown in half along the dotted line. When you fold this shape along the dotted line, it will be what? Will be like that. See with me? Will be like that. So what is this shape? What is this shape name? Yes, It's trapezoid because it has only it has only one pair of parallel sides. It has only one pair of parallel sides. So it is trapezoid. Okay. Explain why the new shape has 4 sides, even though half of 6 is 3. This shape is half of this shape, yes, but this shape has 6 sides, and this one has 4 sides. Why? Because of the dotted line. The dotted line. This is the 4th one. Okay, we didn't count it in the hexagon because the hexagon has 6 outer sides. We don't count this one, but in the trapezoid we counted it. Okay. Question 6. Jack said that there are no two-sided polygons. Then Martin drew the figure shown. He says he drew a two-sided polygon. Who is correct? Yes, Jack. Jack is correct. No two-sided polygon. Why he is correct? Because the shape has only one side and curve, so it is not polygon. Okay. In the same page 844, we want to choose the correct word to complete each sentence. We have these words: hexagon, polygon, quadrilateral. What is a closed two-dimensional figure formed of 3 or more straight sides that don't cross each other? This is the definition of what? Yes, definition of polygon. What is a polygon? With 6 sides and 6 angles. 6 sides and 6 angles. Yes, it is hexagon. 9. What is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles? Yes, quadrilateral. Okay. For question 10, which of the following figure is a hexagon? Okay. Let's see. The first one is not polygon. Why? Because it is open, not closed. It is open. Okay. This one has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the name of this polygon? Yes, it's pentagon, not hexagon. Okay. For this one, it has 4 sides, so it is quadrilateral. Okay. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. The polygon which has 6 sides is called hexagon. So this one. We have finished our lesson. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you understand the lesson, and goodbye.